In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country in your Google Play Store account. This is particularly useful if you've moved to a different country, or if you want to access apps and content available only in another region. It's important to note that this process will require you to create a new payment profile and may impact your existing Google Play balance and subscriptions. So make sure you're ready for these changes before proceeding. To start, open the Google Play Store on your device and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. At the top right corner, you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down list. From here, select Payments and Subscriptions. This section is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Payments and Subscriptions menu, look for the option that says Edit Payment Methods and give it a click. This will take you to a new page. It's worth mentioning that having your payment information up to date is crucial, as it's tied to your geographic settings in the Play Store. Next, among the options available, click on Settings. You'll then see the Country/Region section. Here, locate the edit icon, which might look like a little pencil or gear. Click on it. This will guide you to the option called Create New Profile. Select it to begin the process of setting up a new country profile. After selecting Create New Profile, you'll be prompted with the option to continue. Clicking this confirms that you're ready to set up your profile for a different location. Now, you'll need to choose your new country from the list of available options. Bear in mind, it's important you have a valid payment method and address that correspond with the selected country. After you've chosen the new country, click Continue once more. Here, you'll be required to enter the necessary details, such as a valid payment method and an address from the new country you've picked. Be sure that this information is correct and tied to the selected country, as it is crucial for the account's functionality. Finally, after meticulously reviewing all the entered information, click on Submit to finalize the changes. Now, you've successfully set up your Google Play Store to reflect your new country. With these steps completed, you should now be able to access a new range of apps and content unique to your selected location. Remember, changes might take a while to apply throughout all Google services. If you encounter any issues, patience is key, or consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.